Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see what is Microsoft Defender for Endpoint. Microsoft Defender for Endpoint is a platform designed to help enterprise networks prevent, detect, investigate, and respond to advanced threats on their endpoints. So Microsoft Defender for Endpoint has threat and vulnerability management, ASR, that is attack surface reduction, next generation protection, endpoint detection and response, which is EDR, automated investigation and remediation, Microsoft Threat Experts. So there are some capabilities which are enabled with Microsoft Defender for Endpoint. The one that I told, threat and vulnerability management provides real-time visibility. Attack surface reduction eliminates risky or unnecessary surface areas and restricts dangerous code from running. Advanced protection uses machine learning and deep analysis to protect against file-based malware. Endpoint detection and response monitors behaviors and attacker techniques. It uses AI or artificial intelligence to automatically investigate alerts and remediate complex threats in minutes. Microsoft Threat Experts bring deep knowledge and proactive threat hunting to your security operations center. So Microsoft Defender for Endpoint uses the combination of technologies built into Windows 10 and Microsoft Robust Cloud Service. It has endpoint behavioral sensors which are built into Windows 10. These sensors collect and process behavioral signals from the operating system. It has cloud security analytics, which is it uses big data, machine learning, and unique Microsoft optics across the Windows ecosystem. It has threat intelligence generated by Microsoft hunters and security teams and augmented by threat intelligence provided by partners. So if you want to practice security administration, so let me log on to Microsoft Defender Security Center or security.microsoft.com to explain you what I mean by practice security administration. So I am logged on to the security.microsoft.com. Okay, so if you to effectively identify, assess and remediate endpoint weakness is pivotal to running a healthy security system. Threat and vulnerability management serves as an infrastructure for reducing organizational exposure, hardening endpoint surface area, and increasing organizational resilience. So Defender for Endpoint provides the solutions to gaps across security operation, security admin, and IT administration. It provides real-time endpoint detection, EDR, insights correlated with endpoint vulnerability. So, for example, using the security recommendations present in the portal, an administrator could request an application update. So, if you see the secure score, and if you want to improve the secure score, you don't have to find it yourself. You can work on the recommended actions or recommendations available on the portal to improve that secure score. And then you can work with different teams. That if you want to work with IAM team, you work on multi-factor authentications. You can use advanced protection against ransomware, BitLocker support drive, block JavaScript. So these are all recommendations that you get to improve your secure score, or you must say that this is the best practices that portal is assigning to you. Now let us get into details of ASR or attack surface reductions. So the attack surface reduction set of capabilities provides the first line of defense in the stack by ensuring configuration settings are properly set. So there are hardware-based isolation. It would protect and maintain the integrity of the system as it starts and while it's running. Application control moves away from the traditional application trust model where all applications are assumed trustworthy. Exploit protection applies mitigation techniques to your apps and the users. Network protection, it would extend the malware and social engineering protection offered by Microsoft Defender. Controlled folder access helps protect files in the key system folders from changes made by malicious and suspicious applications. Network firewall, it uses host-based two-way network traffic filtering that blocks unauthorized network traffic flowing into or out of the local device. Now, if you want to go to the attack surface reduction, or you want to see the ASR rules, so well, I will make a separate video on ASR explaining, but if you want to set up the rules, you go to under the settings, you click on endpoints, and in here you will see rules. These are ASR rules, and you can do indicators, process memory indicators, web content filtering, automation uploads, automation folder exclusions, right? I'll make a separate video on ASR rules as well. And now this Defender for Endpoint also has the next generation protection, which is a built-in anti-malware solution, the Microsoft Defender antivirus, that would provide next generation protection for desktops, portable computers, and servers. So this Defender antivirus includes cloud delivered protection for near instant detection. It is always on scanning using advanced file and process behavior monitoring and other techniques. It is dedicated protection updates based on machine learning. It has EDR, which is endpoint detection and response capabilities, which provides advanced attack detections that are near real time and actionable. Security analysts can prioritize alerts effectively, gain visibility into the full scope of a breach, and take response action to remediate threats. So when a threat is detected, alerts are created in the system for an analyst to investigate. Alerts with the same attack techniques or attributed to the same attacker are aggregated into an entity called an incident. Aggregating alerts in this manner makes it easy for the team to collectively investigate and respond to threats. So if you would see the incidents and alerts, all similar alerts are aggregated into an incident. I don't have any alert. I will onboard a device and will actually would see alerts if there is a breach. It also has automated investigation and response. So the volume of alerts generated can be challenging for a typical security operations team to individually address. To address this challenge, Microsoft Defender for Endpoint uses automated investigation and remediation capabilities to significantly reduce the volume of alerts that must be investigated individually. Okay, so the automated investigation feature uses various inspection algorithms and process used by analysts such as playbooks to examine alerts and take immediate remediation action to resolve breaches. This would significantly reduces alert volume, allowing security operations expert to focus on more sophisticated threats and other high value initiatives. So this is the overall capability or the introduction to Defender for Endpoint. We'll see more of Defender for Endpoint in the coming sections. I hope this was informative for all of you guys. If you have any further queries, please mention them in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.